Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zafar Andreansyah Gumay from Business Study Education Program, the Faculty of Economy, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Study Education Program, and at the time act as my second supervisor is Mrs. Parlyna M.Pd, and my first supervisor, Mrs. Yohana M.M., and my examiner who will examine my presentation seminar today or topic skripsi today, such as self-seminar, self-examiner, Mr. Dr. Nurdin Hidayat MM, and expert examiner, Mrs. Dr. Dientje Griandini M.Pd, and the secretary, Mrs. Ryna MM. Thank you very much for taking the time to be my examiner today on June 2, 2020. And today, I will present a skripsi entitled The Effect of Price, Product Quality, and Promotion towards Student Purchase Decision of the Fast Food Acts in the Faculty of Economy, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. There are two things I will present, which are, first, research and discussion, which include respondent profile, data profile, normality test, linearity test, equation of multiple linear regression, research hypothesis testing, testing person correlation analysis, and testing the coefficient determination. And the second is conclusion, implication, and suggestion, which includes conclusion, implication, and suggestion. Well, let's get this started. The first discussion is respondent profile. In this study, research involved 132 respondents, with the criteria 106 respondents is 18 until 20 and until 21, and the composition of the study program of respondent is Woburg Burger King in the Faculty of Economy. It can be seen clearly that the study program business dominant was the business study education program. And data profile. Based on data, purchase decision have the low score is 30 and the high score is 90. Based on data, price have the low score is 30 and the high score is 75. Based on data, product quality have the low score is 43 and the high score is 80. Based on data, promotion have the low score is 46 and the high score is 85. The next is normality test. Based on the calculation result of the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test with the SPSS program version 22 in the table above, it can be concluded that the four variables are normal is distributed. The significant level of the four variable is better higher in 0.05. Linearity test. X1 to Y, based on the linearity test calculation result, it can be concluded that the price variable on purchase decision has linearity effect. And linearity test X2 to Y, based on the linearity test calculation result, it can be concluded the product quality variable on purchase decision has linear effect. And linearity test X3 to Y, based on the linearity test calculation result, it can be concluded that the promotion variable on purchase decision has a linear effect. Equation of multiple linear regression. Based on the data, multiple linear regression can be obtained for low X and equals 4,318 plus 0.320 for X1 plus 0.380 for308 X2 and plus 0.320 X3. Research hypothesis testing. The result of the partial significant test table above of time, the T count from the price by 3,070 300,000 greater than the table equals 1,000 65, 60, 100, thus it can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That is, it can be said that there is a positive influence between price on purchase decision. Meanwhile, based on the above output, it can be seen that the count from the product quality of have T count is 2667 greater than the table equals is 100 T 65,600. Thus, it can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That is, it can be said that there is a positive influence between product quality on purchase decision. And the last is, based on the above output, it can be seen the T count from the promotion have the T count is 301 greater than the table equals 1,065,600. It can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That is, it can be said that there is a positive influence between promotion on purchase decision. The next is testing person correlation analysis. Price to the purchase decision have a 0.400 time, which means the level of influence between the price on the purchase decision has a significant correlation. And the second, product quality to purchase decision have the 0.385, which means is the level of influence between the product quality on purchase decision has a significant correlation. And the third is promotion to the purchase decision 0.390, which means the level of influence between the promotion on the purchase decision has a significant correlation. The next is testing of the coefficient determination. Coefficient determination x1 to y have the R-square value of the 0.168. This show that the influence of the price variable on purchase decision is 16.8%, while the rest is influenced by the other variable outside the price variable. And the x2 to y have the R-square value of the 0.133. This shows that the influence of the product quality variable on the purchase decision is 13.3%, while the rest is the influence by other variable outside the product quality variable. And the third is x3 to y have the R-square value of the 0.152. This shows that the influence of the promotion variable on purchase decision is the 15.2%, while the rest influenced by other variable outside the promotion variable. And the second part is the conclusion, implication, and suggestion. Conclusion: Burger King at the Faculty Economy, Jakarta State Universitas Negeri Jakarta, which is 16.8%, while the remaining 83.2% is needed by the other variables that are not except Burger King at the Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University. And 13.3%, while the 86.7% accepted in this is needed by other variables that are not accepted. And the last is positive and significant. The promotion of Burger King purchase decision, the Faculty of Economy, is 15.2%, while remaining 84.8% is needed by other variables that cannot be bought. An implication: the thing that companies need to do is pay more attention to low indicator and make the improvement for the future, and must maintain the indicator that have the high score. And suggestion is Burger King conduct activities that can increase price, product quality, and promotion carried out by the company, and so the higher consumer purchase decision on Burger King and improve other factor that can improve purchase decision. So that is my presentation, and thank you very much.